Alright, check. Alright, what is up, guys? This is rotational inertia. Fisher mentioned this was a pretty big topic on the AP exam, so here we are to go over it. Alright, so first of all, what is rotational inertia? The formal definition is a quantity that determines the torque needed for a desired angular acceleration about a rotational axis, similar to how mass determines the force needed from a desired acceleration. Obviously, the definition is from Google, so we dumped it down to the resistance to rotate, as brought to you by Fisher Byers. Mr. Hasty told us to mention how you can get messed up or tripped up over this topic that was on the AP exam. And one of the ways that Fisher mentioned was formulas, because there's a bunch of different formulas for rotational inertia, if you see by the picture. Let me move this real quick. Show the formulas. So you have all those different formulas: 1/2 mr squared, 2/5 mr squared, 1/12, 1/3, 2/3, 1/2, 1/12. There's a whole bunch of different formulas to know, so that's one way you can get tripped up, is not having those memorized. So what else? In order to determine the formula being used, you need to know what shape is being used as well. Is it a cylinder? Is it a disc, a hoop, sphere, thin shell, or not? And as we go back to this image right here, you see that all those things that I mentioned have different formulas. And I don't think you see my whole meme. So this meme says, "Hey baby, what's your moment of inertia? I want to know what takes you to get you rolling." Haha. Mr. Hasty, I know you like that one. Alright, here's a practice problem we have for you. A uniform rod is rotating around a center of mass with a mass of 5 kilograms and a length of 2 meters. Determine its moment of inertia. So the formula for this is I equals 1/3 ml squared, and you plug it in, and then you get 20/3 kilograms per meter squared. And that's the final answer. But is it? Did I do something wrong? Is that the right answer? I don't know. Let's find out. So we have this practice problem continued. So the cumulative, that will not be the correct answer because the answer is a question about the center of mass, and that equation is for the end of the rod. So the equation of center of mass is 1/12 ml squared. You plug that in, you get 5/3 kilograms per meter squared. So if you forget your formulas, you won't be able to get that question right. One last thing, if the mass is non-uniform, you must use center of mass equation in order to calculate the rotational inertia because it rotates around center of mass, which is a very important part. If you don't use your center of mass equation, you're just going to get it wrong. Here are some last minute memes to get you. This is where I put my moment of inertia, and if you forget your equations, you're not going to have any moment of inertia calculations. Alright guys, and also the other one, you see that you're very cool if you have your equations memorized. So like all the ladies will be all over you if you just tell them it's the center mass of a hoop. It works every time. Trust me, worked with my girlfriend. Just know that equation, you'll be solid. Alright, shout out Bruce Hasty's bats. Happy graduation.